Instagram a long time. We work for our page. When the can't just come and just take people page. So any day I find out at who, I tell you.
Renee, don't threaten nobody for my life. Renee,
I'm not threatening nobody.
Renee,
the police.
Renee, I need my page.
I'm going to the police.
Renee, you're not.
Me are bad people. Me are bad people.
You're not threatening nobody. Them not take my page. We need it. But now, laugh.
Them two out of the show.
If you don't know by now, Renee 630 has been the latest victim in this IG hacking thing. From the other day, a lot of people been getting their page hacked. Pretty got her page hacked. Iwater got his page hacked. Candy Wow got her page hacked. Rebel got her page hacked at one point. Dancehall Queen Cuban got her page hacked at one point too. Even me lose my page. So she's the latest victim in this. So let's see what Renee have to say.
Them upsetting.
Email gone. Take my email link to my YouTube. My YouTube channel gone. All of
I tell you, the people them pull off some superhero stunt.
Yo.
A Batman alone, Mr. Save so much people in a one day. You hear me tell you? I see them so them save for now. I can't nothing else.
I have to save them and save from something.
They must save one from some disease in the phone or something.
Don't make a superhero.
A superhero business them, yeah.
But where you get so tight? Me not trouble people, you know.
That's what I want to ask the person. Who the person join live and add them.
Where you get so tight?
And just tell me. Just come on a page, add it, add in the face and tell me want to get so tight.
After you sell the page, you're still hungry. Still hungry, period. Because page can't make you rich.
Renee, you hear me say people them hungry? You want the people to take page. You want to say a bad man, Renee, come on for my life.
Sure. It is something can't bother with you.
You know make the people them take my life. I need my page.
You can't take your page, man. You're well secure up. You're well secure up.
Father God, do me a big girl. Do.
I'm too wicked.
But tell them do them.
Losing a regular Instagram page is one thing, but when you lose a page that is your business, that's how you make your bread. You know, for Renee 630, this is how she get money from promo, and this is how she get money from maybe side bookings or whatever. This is how people reach out to Renee 630. Probably the most popular way for people to reach Renee 630. And now all of that just gone. And she said not only that they take the Instagram, they took her email along with it, and they took her YouTube. So they kind of like set her back far back right now. Even though she have friends who can repost and say go back, it's still not gonna take a time for build back all of that. You build over 7 years and you know, oh my.
Remember say Cuban page first them down with you know.
No, remember they did take a rebel page, remember? Remember rebel page is gone? And then she'd have to start over.
Oh,
and then, you remember? And then
page them down with first.
After. And then Cuban missed after. The people just have missed so. They must say I build new page. That's a wickedness.
All along I say about MIA. They never know MIA means in action. And still, them after you come out.
Remember say people them using Instagram for business. Nobody now using Instagram for eye glam post. Pretty.
Renee, you hear me say?
A business we are doing.
I hear about MIA. I never know what the Instagram act them at about. People them MIA no page clean. Missing in action.
Missing in action right away.
We can't even find the page. I like know where the page and the name and nothing. Then something can just miss just so.
Yeah, I understand it. When them get so tight. I wouldn't know who. We don't know who. Me. I have to stop talking.
Darling, you take everything for joke. A serious situation.
I'm here to come to almost stressed out.
Oh God. Yes, but about auntie, you know me emotional.
No, because I'm a business guy in the drain.
Now, my can say Renee 630 I try to hold it together. She just now want to get too stressed out over the page, so she I try to smile in between and thing. But it looked like after she come off of that live with Sherry, it just like something reach her. So she went live on her own page, and hear what she have to say.
Who do it? I don't know who do it. I don't know why them do it. So nobody can ask me who do it. Why them do that? I don't know. People just get up and eat. People just get up and just want to fuck with. But a people business you don't fuck with. Some me don't rate that, man. If you do some ego shit just for eagerness or for make a little money, not do it to people where I make them look honest bread. Do it to some people where I not do it none at all. But not trouble people only say I make them honest bread. Like my nigga, my Instagram, my business. You know, if I win my Instagram from 2013, I have my Instagram. From 2013, I build my Instagram. If me still have my Instagram, I could have shown the picture to my archive, all of them, or whatever that one be.
You know, people stay and people always are going to have something to say. But even though Renee is going through some dark hours right now, because this is bad for her, even though she might not break down and cry right so on the live, she feel it. In the extended life, she said she did cry when it just happened. You see what I say? But you have people assess some things. So, Renee, I got to explain what she hear on some site.
But one other thing we more address, I see people oversight. Because somebody send me something oversight. I don't usually address things oversight. Only for the oversight, I say, oh, I Renee sell her page. And I build new page. Or them I go say, I do it for the hype. And me I blame people. My nigga, why would I sell 600? Whoever at my page can go in on my page. I'm going to my DM. And she say, be a business text.
I really do hope that Renee get back her page. Or if not, she can get back to a level real fast where she can operate again and she can get going again and make her money. Now, I have the extended live. It's about 17 minutes or so. I'm going to post it on the main Dancehall IG page and I'm going to put the link to it there. So if you want to watch the whole 17 minutes of Renee talking about the page and she talk about trouble people and other things. You see what I'm saying? You can watch that. Now, for this video, what I want you to do, I want you to get in the comment section and tell me what you feel about this and tell me how you would angle. And please remember, people, if you do not have on a two-step verification, you need to put on a two-step verification, because what that does is that if somebody logs into your account from somewhere else or from a device that is unknown, you will get a notification and they cannot get into your account unless they get the code that is coming to your phone or the app or whatever you use for it. But it's very important, people. You need to secure your information, because you can imagine there's other things on your phone other than just social media. There's your personal information and there's bank information probably and other things. So please, may I beg you, secure your account, secure on your phone, everything. All right, two-step verification, remember. All right, and if you haven't liked and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.